Hi guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about the Power Sport coating. It's a 3-year coating, this one. Very easy to apply. Once again, Damon made this really easy. I'll just do a quick demo. So we got some different surfaces, we got some vinyl wrap, plastics, metal, and the wheels. Just want to show you how easy it is to install. As usual, we prime our pad, crisscross motion, just brings up this surface to life. We'll do half panel, load again. Even on these rougher surfaces, very easy to install, it's not tacky at all. That's going to save us a lot of time on these installations. And same with the metal. Just the depth it gives to any kind of surface. You can see the difference in gloss. Okay. So we'll level it next. Beads up. Very forgiving coating, just like the auto version of it. I always show the wheels. Like, these wheels are really faded. This is a mud machine. Just look how deep gloss it brings to the metal. It looks like a new a little goes a long way too with these coatings. You can see the depth from the coated part to the uncoated part. Plus, going to give you that ease to wash. Yeah, give it a try. It's an amazing coating. Also, an amazing niche to work with. A lot of profits on these coatings. Have a good one. Thank you.